Flight of the Jade Bird, which is my show to open this year's Singapore Arts Festival. The boy on stage is the only child of very rich and influential parents. He is very precocious, very spoiled, and in the story, his parents send him to the Jade Palace in the north to see the ancient world before it all gets turned into the modern world, before Jade Palace becomes Jade Theme Park. So what happens in the story is the boy accidentally, or by chance or by fate, stumbles into the secret chamber of the Jade Bird. And through the meeting of the Jade Bird and the boy, both their lives are changed forever.
I don't want to simply follow, be another autumn swallow. What I really want to do is make myself a name, get fame, it's one and the same.
Done concerts, but it's the first time doing something like this, sort of other singers as well. I was quite excited, but a little bit uncertain. Sort of, I didn't really know what it was about. I didn't really understand it at the start, and it was a bit vague about what was going on. But towards the end, sort of, you understand it, you get to know it, and sort of.
The Jade Bird story, to a large extent, is quite similar to my own, in the sense that, you know, you're kind of cooped up somewhere and you're seeking freedom. I suppose everyone in this world seeks freedom and love and recognition and stuff like that. I think it's a good story for the young and old.
I've been working with Mark for some time now, but then I realized that there was going to be two cellos, so I instantly had an idea who I wanted to work with. That was more crucial. I knew it was Ishan.
就第一次同 Mark 做嘢啦，咁我就舊年先搬過嚟新加坡嘅，咁我就好幸運地認識咗呢位 Leslie 餐啦，咁咧佢就介紹咗我做呢一個 project。咁其實我喺香港都有做開呢啲，但係我就未同 Mark 正式合作過。咁呢個係第一次，咁我就覺得都幾新鮮。
咁樣咯，咁通常阿 Mark 寫嗰啲嘢咧就好 creative 下嘅，咁對我哋嚟講都係一個挑戰。
嗰啲組合係如果唔係有一個咁樣嘅 production， 我諗我哋啲音樂家singer 或者 dancer 係唔會咁樣走埋一齊做一個咁樣嘅節目出嚟。
因为一开始我单看那个我自己的谱的时候，其实不太知道在干什么，对啊。然后后来我过来之后才知道，哦，这每个人各有他，就是可能歌手比较重，这个战队节目比较重，它就是等于是一个故事。然后后来我就觉得，哦，我大概开始知道它这个是一个怎么样的故事啊，然后什么旋律都跑出来，所以整个比较完整。
He is a bird of spirit and fire, of river and ice, of desert and snow. He is a jade bird.
I think it's one of those fables that need to be told because it's so very much a part of our heritage. And it's very important, I feel, that we continue to keep these stories alive for the next generations.
I found it very captivating. The music-wise and the words, I think they were very haunting, and somehow they kept me captivated throughout the performance.
Yeah, the Flight of the Jade Bird has quite a lot of eclectic influences. It's very, very typically Mark Chan.
And I loved the dancing. I really did. It was sort of organic.
Most of my friends, I mean, we were just talking that what we really liked was the whole music.